Today we will complete our lesson transforming linear function. We spoke about the translation and rotation before. Today we will speak about the reflection. Okay, how do you know it's reflection? Look at the slope. If the slope multiplied by -1, it's reflection. So look at this function, fx equal 2x. This is the blue one. Fx equal 2x. And what is the second one? Gx equal -2x. This is -2x. So the line reflect across y-axis. Why it's reflect across y-axis? Because here it's 2, but here -2. So to say the line reflect, look at the slope. If it's opposite number, so the line reflect across y-axis. So I think it's easy. So a reflection is a transformation across a line that produce a mirror image. You can think of a reflection as flip over a line. Okay? So, reflection of a linear function. When a slope m is multiplied by -1 in function function x equal mx plus b, the graph is reflected across the y-axis. Okay? We will solve example for this. Graph fx equal 2x plus 2. Then reflect the graph of fx across the y-axis. What will you do to reflect across y-axis? We multiply the slope by -1. Write a function gx to describe the new graph. This is the original graph. Function of x equal to x plus 2. He said he need to graph this. Do you remember how can we graph this line? Yes, this is the form in slope intercept form. So we plot this point. This point is 0 and 2. So we plot this point. And what will we do? Depend the slope, we will get the new one. Okay? The new point. So the slope here is 2. So it's 2 over 1. I will go 2 units up and 1 unit to the right to get the second point. And I will connect between them to graph the line. So this is the original line. This is the first line. He asked you to reflect it across y-axis. So it will be, the slope here, it will be -2. To find gx, multiply the value of the slope by -1. So the function, what is the slope here? The slope is 2. So when I multiply by -1, it will be -2. So the new graph, it will be gx equal -2x plus 2. This is the new graph. 2, and I will go 2 units down and 1 unit to the right, okay, or 2 units up and 1 unit to the left. Same, I said the negative, you can put it in the numerator or in the denominator. So you can go 2 units down and 1 unit to the right, or 2 units up and 1 unit to the left to graph the line. So how to say it's reflecting, or it's a reflection? Look at the slope. If it's opposite numbers, so it's reflect across the y-axis.